Hello everyone, I'm Sridevi, batch 14A, Elect 4. I welcome everyone to this panel discussion. Today we are at the neck of movement of our course. With today's session, successfully we are going to complete 9 weeks of our course. This is a wonderful journey and I am so delighted for successful completion of this course. And at the same moment, we are mournful for missing our coordinator, mentors, and mentees. In this pandemic situation, this course helped a lot to the teachers. This course had great impact on the teachers in enriching their language. It also emphasized the significance involving tension stagnation and pitch while talking. Now, my friends will share their views in this discussion. I request Mrs. Madhavi to share her views on the theme which she liked the most.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. You gave me a great opportunity. My name is Madhavi from 14A. Not only English language, I have learned many things from this course. If I hope all these things maybe help in my teaching. I liked all the themes in the course. I liked most the friendship. Friendship is a relation of a mutual affection of the people. Friendship is a bond, a strong bond. Friendship is a strong feeling. Not only staying together, not only sharing food, this is not called a friendship. Friendship is understanding each other's feelings and share and respect others' opinion. If a person have a great friend or a real friend, he may succeed in every field. It's true, a friend in need in a friend indeed. The friendship doesn't consist caste, religion, financial, gender, and talents also. A real friend. If a person have a real friend, he may be greater than all persons in all over the world. Thank you. I next welcome to my community to share her views.
Thank you, madam, for your wonderful expression on friendship. I am glad to get this opportunity. I am Vanita from LA14A batch. I like everything in this course. I would like to express few of my views about nature. Nature is the greatest gift given by God for us. Nature is something which is real natural beauty. It will heal us from inside. It involves everything like rivers, lakes, oceans, and various species of plants, animals, and many other things. It gives much pleasure to all of our sense organs. And then it is the best medicine for several incurable diseases. Prakriti is the other name of the God, according to our ethics. Let us all together save the nature. Thank you. Now I am request Amita madam to speak few words about her interested theme. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. This is Amita. I would like to share my views about language. Language is a medium which we can use to convey our thoughts, emotions, and ideas. We can transmit the knowledge throughout the world with the help of language. It improves thinking ability. We acquire a language with a comprehensive input. To learn a language, one should have self-esteem, motivation, and low anxiety. If we learn a language, we can react to the things and situations accordingly. Not only language, but also I learned so many things from the themes of this course. Thank you, madam. Thank you. I request to Asami madam.
Yes, Anta ma'am. I feel the same. I'm feeling blessed to be a part of this course where I gained a lot of knowledge from all the themes, and I must say I enjoyed it too, especially the courage theme. Courage is nothing but ability to do something or gain something without fear. Considering my case, I was a patient of corona last month. Yes, as every human being, I had a few fears too. But then later, I realized that the fear would make my health worse. Uh, and then I decided to build up courage and confidence within me. And I have my family and friends support too. Took my medication properly and never allowed this pandemic to destroy my mental health. Thus, I would like to give a message that courage is in your hard times. Never let your health destroy or low down, because end of the day, not only physical health is important, mental health is important too. Lastly, I would like to conclude by thanking Ajimji Premji University and SCRT. Thank you all of you. And I would like to invite my next prospect mentee to express her views.
I am Maheshwari from ELEC Batch 14A. I would like to share my experiences on this course. I learned so many new English language skills through this course. In the beginning, I was just like a child. I had only 20 or 30 words to speak, but now I am speaking without any preparation and fear. I like mostly the theme design. In our schools, every child has so many desires, but to speak English is the biggest desire to them. What I learned here, I will implement in my school and encourage the children to speak in English. It is a good thought and the biggest opportunity to all teachers to develop their English language. Thanks to Ajit University and thanks to all.
Okay, good evening to all. My name is Janaki Ram. Maheshwari ma'am, you said very well. And in this course, I like the theme Playtime. In that theme, I read an article written by Ashwini Nachappa, Sports in Education, a sound mind in a sound body through sports. Ashwini Nachappa was participated and won many medals at national and international levels in 100 meters, 200 meters and 400 meters running track. She stated that I am a product of school games. When she was studying, schools gave great importance to sports, but nowadays all are giving importance to education only. They are not giving importance to sports. Sports and education are complementary to each other. Sports will develop confidence, physical fitness and leadership, also team management skills to children. So I would like to encourage my school children through sports. Yeah, in this course, I learned English with moral values and other things like capacity building. Thank you all. And I would welcome to Padma Kumari ma'am. Please respond on it.
Thank you, sir. I am M. Padma Kumari from 14A batch. I am very happy being part of this course. This 9-week course is planned and executed in such a way so that in a easy and quick manner we improved our English language skills. There were no grammar rules, no finding faults. Our coordinator and mentors encouraged us a lot to express our views and share our opinions in a very free and friendly atmosphere. We are kept in a flow of English language by listening to experts' talks and discussing themes that are relevant to our daily life. This course is also meant for personality development. We can overcome our inhibitions, gain courage and confidence. Now I can speak fluently English. This course is most useful to my personal as well as professional field. I will adopt all these aspects to my students. Thank you, Ajit Premji University, and thank you, SCRT Telangana. Now I like to hear from Venkatesh about this course.
Everyone, I am Devan Venkatesh. Topic given by you in English enrichment course are really useful and good. This course is included with English language skills and moral values. Among all topics, I liked discrimination thing. Discrimination means different and partiality. When someone treated different between two types. For example, language discrimination, religion discrimination, caste discrimination. I learned in this topic how many discrimination is there. In several families, we can notice that showing difference between boy and girl in studies and works and restrictions. To avoid gender discriminations, Gout provided various schemes and reservations also. Whatever it may be, I learn in this course. It must use it to teach my school. Thank you, Azim Premji University and my mentors.
Yeah, you expressed it perfectly. This is Manisha. I'm going to share about the theme teaching. According to Sugata Mitra, Ranjani Raghavan and Arvind Gupta, teaching should be done in a natural way and peaceful method and free going method. And I also felt like same. We should teach like how a mother introduce her child to nature, society, culture and things, habits, and also the main thing, language. We all are teachers. We have to build a nation with a strong mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha ma'am, to express your views. Hi everyone, this is Madhavi, Elect 4, 14A1 batch. I likely to share my views about pandemic. In this pandemic situation, we are facing lot of problems and sleepless nights also. We have more plans in this vacation, but could not work out anything because of lockdown. We all are changed our food habits also. Due to COVID-19, some linguistic impacts also visible. They are self-isolation, social distancing, home quarantine, sanitization, mask, hand wash, PPE, WFH, and elbow bumps, etc. We all are wish to thanks our Corona warriors because of their selfless determination for the sake of saving lives. They are real heroes of this challenging time. In this pandemic time, we all are getting free time. I am using this free time to embrace my English language. So I joined this course Elect. This course changed my attitude in personal and as well as professional life also. I improved my self-confidence also. Now I don't have any fear to talk English. So I thanks to my coordinator and mentors. They encouraged me very well. This course is stepping stone of my journey. It continues next level also. Thanks to Azim Premji University and SCRT Telangana giving this opportunity. Next continue to Bhavya ma'am.
Hi everyone, I am Bhavyashree from Elect 14A batch. I want to say one thing about this excellent Elect course. That is, we are all moving with our co-mentees, mentors and coordinators in a free and healthy environment. They are all boosted and encouraged us a lot with positive vibes when we hesitate to talk in English. This is the best example to apply in our schools. Like, we should encourage and motivate our children to learn and speak them in English what they know with small words and small sentences. Don't discourage them at any cost. And all themes are very heart touching that we could feel them, and we are all connected with that themes. That's why we gave our best in our tasks. So like this, we should create new concepts and real life situations to our children. This will enhance our children language skills. How we improved our language skills through this wonderful Elect course. I am very thankful and grateful to all Elect members and who have been working behind technically in this course. Thank you, Azim Premji University. Thank you all.
Hello everyone. A girl with more confidence and more hardworking and looking for an opportunity to do better and achieve great. As she gone through the Elect course and improved a lot in 9 weeks. Now she is before you, that is me. This is Soumya from batch 14A. It is a beautiful journey with all of you, and I recapitulated my childhood memories by all these themes. I think it is the turning point for all of us to reach our great heights in language enrichment. The thoughts of my commentees enriched me a lot and they shown me a path. This course given me a lot of friends. Last but not the least, I should say one thing. The essence of fruit is always tested in the last, and I believe that the last output will be the best by all of us. I thank Ajim Premji University for making this course most memorable one in my life. Thank you.
Hello, this is Raja Godelli, 14A3 batch. All are saying that this period of pandemic destroying us, but for me, it helped a lot by joining into ELEC course. It has changed my attitude actually. It improved my communication skills and enriched my English language also. All the themes were connected to our real life and to our profession also. All the themes helped me to improve communication skills and enrich our English vocabulary also. What I learned in this course, I will execute definitely in my school, to my students and at home also. And I encourage them to speak in English more and more. I will create more opportunity for them and me as well as to speak in English without any fears. Thank you all.
Hello, this is Bhavani from 14A batch. I would like to share my opinions about this course. In this course, all the themes are well designed by ELEC to mold ourselves. My teaching career can be divided into two parts. One is before ELEC and another one is after ELEC. This is the impact of ELEC on me. I was guilt in my mind that being a teacher, I am unable to speak English fluently. But now I am enough confident. Generally, my motto is to give best to the children. Now I am improvised and sharpened with this course. Definitely, I will serve them in a better way. I can say proudly and heartfully, I learned to speak English, in Telugu mother tongue from my mother and English from ELEC. ELEC also gave me a precious and unknown bond with you people. Thanking you.
I appreciate everyone for their valuable views. Along with you, even I want to share my views on the storytelling theme. I want to develop in children in increasing their willingness to themselves, expressing their feelings and communicate with others with their thoughts. And I thank our coordinator and mentors. With their help, we could do everything. On behalf of my friends, I am humbled and grateful to Azim Premji University in collaboration with SCRT Telangana. This platform gave the best opportunity to SGTs to enrich their language. Thank you all. Have a nice day.